This is the AUTOCAT redo. When the body is finished, this will come up to a triangle shape here and come down and cover up these little access pouches kind of things. So basically the concept is pretty simple. This will hold like 400 pounds or so. This has the top hatch has these gas struts that hold it up. Still got to finish, obviously, a bunch of things. This section here, this is bolted down right now, but this is removable. When you take this piece off, it is basically allows access to these engine compartments. The main batteries will go in here on each side. There's access in here for random things. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a bilge pump system in these. On the side in here is going to be battery voltage. The other thing that's kind of set up is originally this was designed around these little boxes. So I end up with this storage, these waterproof storage containers. Pelican type cases will house electronics that absolutely cannot get wet. But overall, the way this is set up is it has this about 1.5 inch lip that hangs down. And so when you close this lip overhangs the edge and it'll have a rubber bead along this part. On top will be a set of emergency strobe lights that basically to help avoid collision if there's boats in the lake putting around. But anyway, that's the gist of the boat. It's a good looking, definitely a good looking style. It's kind of, I call it a stealth boat kind of look. And so when it's done, there'll be 2 motors like these, and they will be mounted on each side or potentially inside here. So you'd have 2 prop areas. Actually, that's probably what I'm going to do is I'll put the propellers down in here instead of on the rear. Not really sure yet. Just kind of playing it by ear. So anyway, again, it's got the gas struts that lift this thing up to give you complete access to everything while you're working on it. The other thing that's kind of unique is I built up the whole as a wedge shape for tracking, and then to compensate for potentially having jet boat motors, it converts into a flat piece that allows me to put jet boat motors in here later on. That's the goal, at least.